Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chef B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. So today's video is going to be a wig review slash styling of this beautiful silky straight Brazilian hair from BestLaceWig.com. So it's a very affordable lace wig company online. The details will be in my description box. And the hair that we're trying today is a 360 wig. So the hair did come pre-plucked, and I got mine in 180% density. So as you guys can see, it's like full, like it full, sis, very full. So if you want a more natural, free-flowing look, I'd suggest getting it a 150%. I thought it was gonna be thinner, but sis, the wig is full. So if you want less hair, I'd say get 150. But anyway, so I got mine in 20 inches. Like, the hair is silky. I didn't bleach it. I didn't do any plucking. This is like straight out of the box. And look at that parting. Like, the parting is so nice. And so for the flyaways, I'm just going to take a little bit of mousse to control that. And then I'm going to do a light flat ironing. But I just want to emphasize on the parting, girl. Like, as I said, no bleaching, no plucking, straight out of the box. Like, this took minimal effort to do. And so as you guys can see, like, it's still silky, so I didn't have to use any organ oil to like moisturize the hair, because the hair is just like, it's beyond silky. So I'm just gonna do some flat ironing because it's a little bit bulky in the back, and that's basically all there is to it. Everything that you'll need to know, like, information wise, will be in my description box down below. As for shedding, there was a little bit of shedding, but not like nothing to like, oh my gosh, there's a lot of hair falling out. Like, it was almost perfect, and I am in love with the hair. So as I said, it didn't take much to flat iron. I have my flat iron on 360 degrees, and so it flat ironed like easily. Like, look how straight it came out. So as I said to you guys, it was 180, so I had to do more work in the back because it was a little bit bulky. I should have gotten it a little bit thinner, but the hair is just beyond everything. And even though it's 180, it didn't feel too heavy. It laid flat enough. And again, as I said, I'm just using the mousse to control the flyaways and just lay the edges a little bit. I didn't use any edge control, no got to be glue, because I didn't feel like using any glue. The wig was tight enough. I'm wearing a medium cap, and yeah, it laid easy, it laid flat. If you want to create more baby hairs, you can do that. If you want if your scalp is lighter and you want the scalp to be lighter, you can go on ahead and bleach the knots, but I didn't feel like it, and I just like how the hair laid in its natural state. Now I'm just going to show you guys like a 1-2 hairstyle that you could do with this straight hair. So as I said, don't mind the lifting right there. As I said, I didn't glue down the hair because I didn't feel like gluing it down. So I just did a little, messy braid on the side. And this is one of the hairstyles. Just a simple little braid to the side. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Like, you can lay the baby hairs. A little French braid. If you want a halo braid, like, the hair is easy to manage. And the second hairstyle is like almost looking like a half like done type of look. So I'm just doing a little braid at the side again and just swooping it under, put a bobby pin there, and that's their second style. Like, it's pretty easy. And that is all that I have for you guys today. As I said, the information will be in my description box down below. You can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damn-chev. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.